Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change volume of our sound feedback in talkback function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for talkback options and settings? We need to go to settings menu, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and here we have our talkback. In here we need to go to settings. Then we have sound and vibration menu here. To change sound feedback volume, we of course need to enable our sound feedback if it's turned off for some reason. And now, as you can see, we have a few options here that we can choose from. Match speech volume, 75%, 50 and 25 if we want to. As you can see, now it's changed. No need to save anything. We can go back to our home screen. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.